or limitation. It's only your imagination. Push yourself because no one else is going to do it for you. Sometimes later becomes never. Do it now. Great things never come from comfort zone. Dream it, wish it, do it. Success doesn't just find you. You have to go out and get it. The harder you work for something, the greater you'll feel when you achieve it. Dream bigger, do bigger. Don't stop when you are tired. Stop when you are done. Wake up with determination. Go to bed with satisfaction. Do something today that your future self will thank you for. Little things make big days. It's going to be hard, but hard does not mean impossible. Don't wait for opportunity, create it. The key to success is to focus on goals, not obstacles. Dream it, believe it, build it.